The kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice Bar channel is amazing to be in the kitchen, give you the favorite recipe, guys. We just want to give you a simple weight loss drink and how you can detox in your body and look after your whole self at home. I'm gonna give you all of the recipe, the ingredients, and how you can blend up some natural ingredients to use at home for your weight loss or also detoxing your body. Simple recipe but really effective, full of flavor, taste, and nice. You guys are gonna love this one, so please enjoy the recipe and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot of recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, so please stay tuned, keep up to date, and don't forget to like my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically we have the apple cider vinegar, which I'm always using. We're going to be using a cucumber. So if you get a medium-sized cucumber, I'll just cut it into half, cut it up very small, pour it straight inside of your Ninja blender or whatever kind of blender you have using at home. But as you can see, that's my own blender which I've been using. So cucumber, that's the first thing what you want to do. Half of a cucumber I'm going to be using. Alright. Second thing, we got some ginger, which we're going to be using a fresh piece of a ginger, because we all know that ginger have a lot of flavor and a lot of benefit inside of it. We got some lemon. We're going to squeeze half of a lime. Sorry, if you have lemon you can use lemon, but we're just going to be using lime, because lime juice is very good. Second thing, coriander is very good. Coriander have a lot of benefit also. And also we have some, I must say to you, I have some, this is some parsley, fresh parsley, which you're going to be using. Nice. So basically you have the fresh coriander and also the fresh parsley, which I've been using inside of it. Now we're going to pour some water inside of it, just like that. Guys, to be honest, you can add some honey if you like, but I'm not a person, I'm a big fan of honey. So I'm going to put a little bit of apple cider vinegar inside of it, as I love my apple cider vinegar. And you guys can do the same thing at home. Alright, so cover, and we all know that we're gonna blend this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Really nice smoothie and good, you know, give it a shake. Alright guys, so just to make sure things are looking good. Nice one. Give it a shake again. Yeah. Alright. So basically you have a lot of fiber inside of it, as you can see for yourself. So we're gonna nice one. So yeah, things looking good. I might give it another blend because I still have a lot more fiber inside of it. Same way. Nice. So that's exactly what we're talking about. So basically what you can do is drink this 5 days, you know what I mean, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And once you drink it, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. This is very good. I did something like this back in the days. Nice, I like, very, very nice. You see, and it's have a lot of fiber. Sometimes I'm a person who doesn't drink the fiber, sometimes I drink the fiber, but honestly guys, the fiber is very good for us, you know what I mean, but you cannot have too much fiber. You have to be careful with it. Alright, but anyway, thank you so much for tuning into my show, and this is Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes coming out, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming, so please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click in the notification bell to get the latest update from Chef Ricardo and the team. And I will see you next time with more recipe like this. Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel and salad bar with the best recipe in this world. See you next time. Bye bye.